Well, I'm here at Kenworth. I dropped this off, Friday around, I don't know, 2 o'clock. It's now, I don't know, I guess it was done, what's this, Tuesday? Wednesday? It's now Wednesday, and it was done, I don't know, around 3 o'clock in the afternoon or 2 o'clock in the afternoon on Wednesday. So that was, I don't know, I assume they worked on it Saturday, Monday, Tuesday, so 4 days they probably got to work on it. Oh, sitting right in the back of the door. The EF quality sensor, I was told, and all 6 injectors. They did a cleaning, and I guess they kept failing tests, so they replaced all 6 injectors. So I guess I'm going to start it up and just take a look around, make sure, you know, bolts are tight and things are where they're supposed to be and connectors are where they're supposed to be. And yeah, we'll be getting out. All right, well, we're going to start her up. I just checked everything. It does look like the bolts have been off and things have been moved. This is a, oh well, it's not a Cadillac dealer, I guess, or a BMW dealer, but I'd like it they at least wipe their dirty handprints off the door. But hey, it is what it is. Oh, guess what? I don't hear. I think they turned my idle up too. Yes, they did. They turned the idle up to 650 for me. I don't hear no more rattling. Got my plates back on. I mean, flarings back on. This side really rattled bad. Don't hear that anymore. I just noticed that piece is broken too. So, I guess I should say something here. Maybe I'll walk back in there just for the heck of it. Have them order that piece too. Yeah, I guess, why not? Might as well walk in there and have them order that piece. So I'm going to take a picture of it real quick and just have them order it. Alright, so they ordered another side flaring, and I'll just come and pick it up, and they'll slap it on the side of the truck for me real quick. Apparently they just, they don't have any on hand, but their Carlisle store has 5, and so does their Dunmore store has 6, so apparently they break a lot. So I'm going to get headed home, and I guess I'll fill you guys in either on the way home or at the house. I didn't bring the rest of my camera gear with me, so yeah, so far so good. Hopefully the lights don't come back on. So we have a little visitor. Right now she's dropping lemon heads all over the place. Come on, baby girl. What?
I dropped it.
Well, yeah, you dropped it. This truck was completely clean until you got in it.
Daddy, I like those 2 trucks. I like the one.
Oh, you like that? That is GP Transco. It's like a teal. You like that teal?
Yeah, I like that color.
Yeah, well, don't become a truck driver.
Color.
It's her favorite color. I don't know. You having fun?
Yeah.
Yeah. Good.
Daddy, is that a blue truck?
Yes, that is a blue truck.
Oh, it's white. Oh, it is
All right.
blue. Daddy, how did you know it's
Oh my
blue?
gosh. You're going to be talking the whole time. All right, so we made it home with the truck. No hiccups. Ran great. Ran just as good as the day I bought it. So I think the injectors actually made a difference. And they reprogrammed the transmission a little bit. It shifts a lot better. It doesn't over rev. So it's like 9:30. I'm going to bed. And hopefully tomorrow I'll have a load. So catch all you guys later.